how to move your caption to exactly where you want, right? So here, this is my Premiere Pro timeline here, and this is my caption, right? So basically, if you're not able to find this caption option, you can just go to Windows and make sure you just option, there is a tick mark beside text, right? So in the text, you will able to find the caption, right? But there's a one more thing. To move your caption, you need essential graphics. So let me just close it and I will show you how to open it. Just go to Windows here and just click on essential graphics. Once you click over here, you will see that it will be reopen, get over on the right side or left side. You can just move wherever you want, right? So now if you can see, this is my caption, which is in very small place, right in the bottom middle here. All my caption are placed exactly right there. So let me just zoom it out for you, right? So this is the way here. Now my captions are here right now, but I want it at a certain a different place, right? For example, I just want it right there. Now here, align and transform. So make sure you just select the caption whichever you want. For example, I want this caption, right? I just want all the caption. I can just select all of them, right? So this is how you can select. You can also select it from here too, right? So I will select only this caption, which is your caption, right? And I just want it here, so I'll just click here, and you can see it has changed its position now, just on the middle center here. So you can just change your caption wherever you want. But what if I just want my caption at here, right? There's a no option, there's a no box to make your my captions here. So how I can move it? For that, this is coordinates. I can use it. For example, if I just want a little bit on the left side, right, on the right side, so I will just like this, right? For example, if I just go on minus, then it will move on left side. If I just go on plus, then it will move on the right side. Now I just want a little bit up, so this is the position where I can be there. Now, so this is how you can fill your captions. So you can just position wherever you want. It's very easy thing to do, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.